Newman. Sadler y capten. Chydig o le gan Hood. Hood ar ergyd! Mae'r arbediad gan Carl Jones yn gwthio'r fel heibio'r postyn. Cyfle cynnar i'r Barry. Y gic rydd at y postyn pethau. Lle mae Watkins yn gwbl glir. Fe ddyle Watkins wedi'r rhoi'r Barry ar y blaen. Fe fydde buddugoliaeth i'r Barry yn anfon prestatyn i lawr. A'r Barry sy'n pwyso eto. Yr ergyd heibio gan Newman. Fe gurodd Isaiah Edwards yn llawer i hawdd. Yn methu a tharo'r nod. Chris Huw ar bas ymlaen. Cottrell ni'n rheoli hi. Jordan Cottrell ar ergyd. O, mae mewn! Carl Jones y golwr yn gadael i'r bel lithro heibio. Ac yng nghanol o dathliadau, mae'n y gerdyn coch i James Stead. Roedd na wthiad ar yn y chwaraewyr y Barry. Y Barry ar y blaen, 5 munud cyn yr egwyl, a 5 gol o tymor i Jordan Cottrell. Stevens. Mae angen gol ar Prestatyn. Mae nhw angen rhwydo i aros yn y gyngrair. Cetlin troi i ddyn. O, mae yna ail gerdyn melyn i Luke Cooper. Oedd hi'n drosedd, ond oedd hi ddim yn drosedd cerdyn melyn. Kemp, Stevens. Stevens colli allan i Cottrell. Demetriw'n glir! Fe fethodd yr nod, fe gollodd ei ben. Y bas hir i lwybr Hood. Weaver ni warchod. Hood yn gry. Nawr te, Hood yn ergydio! Arbediad campus gan Carl Jones. Mae'r tîm cartre yn gwthio am yr ail gol. Fydd yn selio tynged Prestatyn. Kemp. Yn ôl i Weaver. Y cliriad ar draws i gwrt i hun yn ein gwamal a dweud y lleia. Mae'r golwr oddi ar y linell. Hood ar ergyd! Prestatyn yn creu i problemau eu hunain. Y cliriad yn wael a'r golwr yn hir neb. Southam Hales. Yn colli allan i Irvine. Louis Irvine. Y cymorth yna yn colli'r meddiant. A nawr te Southam Hales ar cyfle i groesi. Fahia ar y postyn petha. A llai na 5 munud y weddill. A mae Prestatyn i lawr. Does na ddim ffordd yn ôl iddyn nhw nawr. Fe ddeithon nhw nôl i fyny'r gyngrair ar tymor yma ar ôl disgyn yn 2015. A maen nhw syth nôl lawr i'r gyngrair yn debol.
Gavin, congratulations, an excellent win and keeps the run going.
Yeah, delighted, you know, third clean sheet in a row, you know, 6th win in a row is, you know, how hard this league is, you know, rarely do teams go and win 6 out of 6, you know, particularly after the split, so yeah, really delighted with all those positives.
But what's your thoughts on today's game?
That was quite niggly, if I'm being honest, you know, I think that, you know, there were times where maybe we could have taken our chances and been a bit more ruthless. But overall, you know, you can focus on the niggly aspect of the game or you can focus on the positives, and today I thought that we played some really good football, controlled the game for large periods, and yeah, we got that 6th win in a row and good momentum's with us.
Conversations on the defeat and obviously the bigger picture relegation.
Yeah, you know, today we didn't do enough to win the game today, so and obviously going down to 10 men, again that's a bit of a blow, so but we didn't do enough to win the game today, and Barry fully deserved their win.
What's your plan going to be now for the rest of the season?
Well, we'll continue to you know, plan, prepare and give everything for the football club. You know, we're desperate for 3 points, absolutely desperate for 3 points, so you know, we'll keep doing that and looking for the elusive win.
How have you found it? Have you found it difficult after you've come in?
Well, the circumstances around that, obviously we lost Neil and you know, a few players and what have you, and you know, there's some difficulties around the club, but I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Obviously don't enjoy losing, but if, you know, you give it your best, don't you, every week?